quality of material. I don't know. I mean, modest fashion is huge. You know, there's no actual definite definition for modest fashion. Because I'm a bit intrigued because you were given the award of halal fashion, which is a different league altogether.
Well, I would say that halal fashion, it is within modest fashion, but perhaps it has it's stricter in a way, because modest fashion is something that can be easily done by a lot of different brands. But then when you to say halal fashion, we follow very strict Sharia friendly Sharia compliance.
Are we not just trying to halalizing fashion that is non-Sharia?
Well, I would say that's the reason why a lot of the bigger brands are entering modest fashion right now, because I think it's a very growing industry. And also, when you do put modest fashion, it means you're not specifically just you know, like focusing on Muslims. There are a lot of people right now who wants to go for modest fashion just because they want to, or it is a certain lifestyle that they choose.
Okay, that's fair. Coming on to our next point, sorry.